Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming permissions and app version so uploads work smoothly. Open Snapchat and go straight to the camera view. Once there, swipe up or tap the gallery icon to access your device media. If you haven't granted photos or files permission, allow it now in settings so Snapchat can read items. This step avoids interrupted uploads and makes the next actions immediate. Now you're ready to pick the exact photo or video to import. You choose the content and shape it for Snapchat's format. Select one or more items by tapping or holding for multi-select. This matters if you want a multi-snap story. Once selected, use the editor to trim video, add filters, stickers, text, or sound. Each tool refines viewer focus and engagement. Make sure orientation and aspect ratio match 16:9 or square as needed, and preview your edits. When you're satisfied, proceed to the next step to configure recipients and posting options. Finish by deciding where the media goes and why. Tap Send to share with friends directly, or choose My Story or Spotlight to reach wider viewers. Make sure audience settings match your intent. Add captions, tags, or save a copy before posting. If you want timed posting, schedule externally and save drafts. If an upload fails, first check your internet connection and available storage, then confirm Snapchat permissions. Retry after restarting the app. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.